Hi guys, today I'm going to do a fragrance review on Hypnosis 2.0, which is a pheromone infused fragrance for men. It's the new improved formula because I had did a video on Hypnosis, but this is the new one. This is how the packaging looks, and it opened up from the side like this. And the original one, it opens up like this. And you see the old bottle. And the new bottle looks like this. It's a 1.7 ounce bottle, with meaning you get 600 sprays. It's on sale for $59.99. The original price is $80. And some key notes about the fragrance are it's citrus, lemon, and grapefruit. The heart notes are rose, jasmine, violet, and clove. The base notes are vetiver, cedar, cinnamon, and musk. Let's smell. I'm gonna spray it on my hand. Top back on and give it a whiff. This smells so good. It smells so sexy. It smells like a sexy rich man, something that he'll wear. Oh my God, this smells so good. Y'all, this fragrance had made my panties wet. It's dripping wet right now. Oh my God, this fragrance turned me on. I prefer this one over the original one because with the original one, I felt like a female could wear it. So I told my cousin about this fragrance and he didn't believe a fragrance can attract women. So he purchased it and wore it to the club. And he was like, he received tons of compliments and got a few ladies' number. And he can't believe it that it actually works. So y'all needs to try this out. Especially if you're a single guy and you're looking for a female. You should try this. Because I'll guarantee you that you would get a female. On a scale out of 1 out of 10, I would rate this a 10. Because I would love my man smelling like this. It is so sexy. And again, this is the packaging. Right here, the one that opens from the side. For rating the package, I would give it a 8. And for the fragrance bottle, right here is simple, but yet clean looking, I would give it a 10. Thanks for watching.